Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Also, I am so ill. Thank you very much for giving such a great opportunity with something about myself. It is honor for me to introduce myself. It is in front of you. My name is MD Mustaqim Mondol. I am from Hariyarkuti Mondolpara, Dangirhat Taragoj Rampur. Actually, I am a student. I am studying inter first year at Madrasa Nemej Muhammad Arabiya Jatrabari Dhaka. Uh, I am doing foundation English course and English language club because um, I English language. I love English language very much. English language very much, and basically, I am a sport lover. My hobby basically, I am a sport lover. I love play football, cricket, etc. I love to read book in my free time. I love to I love to read Quran Majid in my free time. I love play plays. I love to the daily five plays. I like I do not like fast food. I do not like dishonest people. I do not like ideal people. I do not like wasting time. I do not like uh, connected time. My future plan, I want to be a successful life. I want to be a teacher. I want to go abroad for higher study. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening me. Please forgive me. Uh, Please forgive me if leave any mistake. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.